people. Ito, let's take a look kung anong dish to. I forgot to ask the name of the dish. It's a Moroccan dish. See, yung nalagyan. Looks like a clay pot. Yung kanyang cover. But the bottom part is what's this? Yung metal. Okay, let's take a look what's inside. Tcharan! Some mixed vegetables. And then may karne yata. So ayan, may carrots, may beans, may potato, and then meron itong may lamb meat. And then meron din akong kaperaso ng ayan, naan bread. Kubos. Okay, thank you for watching. Salamat. God bless us all.